In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add users and staff members to your Shopify store. By the end, you'll know exactly how to bring teammates into your store safely, give them the right access, and keep your operations organized. Start by opening the Shopify website in your browser and signing into your store's admin. Make sure you're in the correct store if you manage more than one, since access is granted per store and you don't want to add someone to the wrong place. Once you're in the admin, head to Settings. You'll find it in the lower left corner of the dashboard. This is where Shopify keeps most of your store-wide controls, including staff access, billing, and security. Inside Settings, go to the Users section. This is the hub for managing who can sign in and what they can do. You'll see any existing staff, their access levels, and pending invitations. It's a great place to review who's in your store and confirm everything looks up to date. Next, click Assign. This is how you begin giving a person access. Think of Assign as telling Shopify which parts of your store the new user should be able to see and edit. If you just need someone to help with orders or products, you can keep access focused. If they're a manager who needs to run the store day to day, they may require broader permissions. Now, select the option that best fits their role. You can choose full access or pick specific areas like orders, products, customers, or settings, depending on what they need to do. A quick tip here: give the least access necessary to do the job. It helps protect your business and keeps responsibilities clear. Click it to confirm your selection. Take a moment to review what you've chosen so there are no surprises later. If your store uses apps or multiple locations, you may see additional options tied to those. Keep selections aligned with the person's responsibilities. Finally, enter their email. This is the address Shopify will use to send the invitation, so double-check spelling. After you add the email, the system sends an invite for them to accept and set up their login. Let them know to check their inbox and spam or junk if they don't see it right away. Until they accept, their status will show as pending, so you can keep an eye on it from the user's page. That's it. You opened the Shopify website, clicked Settings, went to Users, clicked Assign, selected the right option, confirmed it, and entered their email. With these steps, you can add users confidently and keep your store secure. Thanks for watching and happy selling.